Good morning, guys. Today we are out here doing some kayak bass fishing, and today the water is nice and calm. Got a little bit of mist coming off, so we're gonna try and get on an early morning topwater bite. Hopefully we can get a few fish today, and let's go. Alrighty, gonna start off with the whopper plopper. Give it a shot. First fish. Boom! First cast, first fish, baby. Oh, that is sick. Not a big one at all, but crazy. Woo. Let's go. First cast, first fish. Right back in. Right, can we go 2 for 2? Oh my gosh, 2 for 2. 2 for 2. No way. Back-to-back casts. Another smallie. Same size, nothing big. Back-to-back casts. Oh, a little bit hooked in the side there. 2 fish right away. Well, can't complain with that. First 2 fish, first 2 casts. Oh, missed another one there. First 2 fish, first 2 casts, and then right after that, get another blow up. Can't complain at all. That's a pretty good way to start the day. Just fishing this rock to weed transition line, and it seems like all the fish are kind of stacked up right on that line. Oh my gosh, right by the boat. That scared me. Oh. I'm so sorry, bud. I just set the hook on him straight into the boat. Holy smokes. Little largy. Nothing big, but still a fish. Holy smoke. That scared the shit out of me. There he goes. Oh yeah. That's nice. That's a nice fish. Ooh. Holy smokes. Calm down, buddy. Let me get you in. Oh, that's awesome. Hey, the smallies are cranking this right now. Not too bad. No giants yet. There he goes. Oh, another one. That is a little guy skimming straight across the water. What are you doing? Eating a lure the size of you. Buddy, get back in the water. Tell your mama I'm looking for her, and You need to go grow a little. Are you kidding me? No, 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 I cannot lose that. Now, gotta undo the damn bird's nest that just happened. That's always fun. Oh my gosh. That was a freaking huge bass. There we go. Little guy. Not bad at all. Man, that really sucks. I wish I got that big one. It's okay. Lots of big fish out here. Just gotta find them. Oh, that fish just sipped it off the top. What is that? Oh my gosh. Did you ever caught a bluegill on a whopper plopper? That's a first for me. On the popper. Oh my god, boys. I got a muskie. Oh my goodness, guys, I got a muskie. Holy smokes. Oh my goodness. This is a big fish. Oh, baby. This thing is just towing me. Shoot, I don't even know how to get this guy in. Holy smokes. Don't go under, don't go under. That is a big fish. Oh, oh. I mean, I got a net, but it's definitely not big enough. Ah, there's no... Holy smokes. I don't even know what to do. How do I get this guy? Do I just... Chill, chill, chill. Chill, chill, chill. Oh my god. I got him. I got him in my hands. Muskie, baby. Holy smokes. I can't believe I just caught that. All right, let's get the hook out of him. We'll get him right back. There we go. Hook's out. Let's get one last look at this big beast of a fish. Holy smokes, guys. I'm shaking. Beauty muskie going right back. Holy smokes. Oh, there he goes. Back down to the depths. Unbelievable, guys. That's my first muskie ever. And just to top off the great morning we're having, literally just cannot ask for any better. Huh. Little guy on the Senko. Not a bad smallie. Little guy. Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna call it a day here. Had an amazing day, and the surprise muskie that I ended up getting, definitely was not expecting that, but that was a nice surprise. It always happens though like that. A lot of people I talk to even tell me too, most of the time you catch muskie, you're not even after muskie, and that's exactly what happened there. Just tossing the popper and ended up getting the muskie. But yeah, I think we're gonna call it a day now. It's been fairly quiet for the past hour. Gonna give it a couple last casts. Always got to give it the last cast, then the last cast after the last cast, just in case there's one more willing to bite. Alrighty, guys, and that's gonna do it. We're headed in now. Had an amazing morning, caught a bunch of bass, and also that muskie, which absolutely made my day. And headed in now because the fish kind of turned off. The sun is pounding the water now, and it's getting pretty hot out here, so we're headed in now. But anyways, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.